Hello, so this is drive-thru prankster 3. So I'm gonna do Taco Bell drive-thru. I'm gonna act like, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna act like I don't know what I'm ordering, but really I know. So stay tuned to this one. Let's see. Well, I got one more car ahead of me, so I'll be ready for this one. Ugh. Oof, I'm tired today. Today is so damn cold right now. Technically, I'm gonna order Doritos Locos Tacos, but I'm gonna be like, I don't even know what I'm gonna order. All right, ready?
How can I help you?
What am I gonna have? Let's see. What am I gonna have? I'm gonna have two Doritos Locos Tacos. I mean tacos. Sorry, tacos.
Regular Supreme.
Give me a regular.
Okay.
I'm gonna have two of those. And and that's it.
Any hot sauce?
Yeah, give me hot sauce.
All right. It'll be a 517. Stop on there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.